see them. Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn. About to bust them open with Cinnamon Dust Glaze. You know what I mean? So we're gonna check these out, see what they're about. I got them from Walmart, so you can check your local Walmart, see if you can get them down there. It says it's a snackable, poppable, unstoppable. This sweet, crunchy Cinnamon Dust Glaze is sure to keep you coming back for more and more. That's what it says. Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn. You know what I mean? So let's check them out, see what they're working with. You already know what I expect off the top. I expect it off the top, you know what I mean? Okay. Yeah. Smell good, smell just like you thought they'd smell. Ain't gonna lie, it kind of smell like caramel popcorn too. Get a good bit in my hand so you can see them. That's what they look like. What you expect that to look like. Pretty much popcorn with Cinnamon Toast Crunch looking glazed stuff on it. That's what it looked like. Now, okay. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I was prepared to be disappointed. But these right here actually exceed my expectations. They're really good. Ain't no other way to put it but to say it tastes like Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn. Yeah, that's good. I like them. It ain't something you're gonna eat every day. I know that. But if you just want to enjoy things sometimes, try new things, I recommend these right here. I think I want to go try the Cocoa Puff ones now after trying these. On a scale of 1 to 10, I rate the Cinnamon Toast Crunch popcorn a 10 out of 10. Shit good. Nice crunchy taste. It's light, fluffy, just like regular popcorn. Crunchy. It got the right balance of that Cinnamon Toast Crunch on it, you know what I mean? It ain't overbearing. It ain't real thick like candy. You got a nice little light coating of it on there, but you can taste it through the whole popcorn. I like that. It almost made me want to put it in some milk. Almost. Not quite, but almost. Anyways, like and subscribe to the video. I like this. I think I'm gonna have to order some more new stuff to try out. I did it in a smoke tent, you know what I mean? It's a good munchie meal too. If I do say so myself. I'll get you some. Hey, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, General Mills, y'all can give me a sponsorship or something. We can make something work. Let's do this.